Hi, today's one question tutorial is about how to retweet and quote tweet other people's tweets. And today we're going to start on my phone. So let's put the phone here up here on the screen. So here we are on my phone screen, and we're going to scroll down and see. Here we have a tweet from my other channel, a Swedish fika, and say that I want to tweet this out so people that eventually will follow me can see this, even though it's not from me, it's from a Swedish fika. We go down here under the original tweet, we have these two little arrows. We click there, and you see we have two options. We have retweet and quote tweet. Retweet, which we're doing right now, only means that it's going to be tweeted on my homepage. So retweet, let's click on my little profile picture and go to my profile. And here you see it's at the top. It says you retweeted, and then a Swedish fika's tweet shows up here. So even if someone else comes to my homepage, they will see this tweet from a Swedish fika. Say that I retweeted something by mistake. I can look down here and see that it is retweeted. This is green because it was me retweeting it. All I have to do is to click and undo retweet. So let's go back to where we were. Here we have another post from a Swedish fika. Let's see what happens when we choose quote tweet instead. Quote tweet means just that I can add my own comment to what a Swedish fika says. So I will just write interesting and click retweet. Once again, let's go to my profile and take a look. And here we see I wrote interesting, and under that is a link to the post that I quote tweeted. And if I click on that, I can see the whole tweet. Of course, if I regret this, I can click these three little dots and delete tweet. It will not delete the original tweet because that wasn't from me. It will only delete the retweet. That was retweet and quote tweet on the phone. Let's take a quick look at how it looks on the web. So here we are on the website. Let's scroll down a little bit and see. Here we have the same tweet from a Swedish fika. So let's retweet this. And retweet, as you remember, was just without any commentary. It's just a carbon copy of this tweet that ends up here on my homepage. And I can undo the retweet and it's gone. I can also from here quote tweet, and as you see it puts a link to the original tweet, and I can add my comment up here. I hope this inspired you to retweet other people's tweet. Hej då!